feel the draft on my back, man, from the where it's getting cooler.
Yeah.
And once it starts dropping down to the 60s without the sun, it starts getting cold for them. And that's when I gotta hurry my business up.
They look cool how they hang together.
Yeah, they are. That'll clean it up whenever I get home. You leave it like that, it'll get full of worms.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, so then the wrestlers, Rey Mysterio.